y'all, Chef Tiffany Derry here. We are in the Bobby's Triple Threat Kitchen. Like, pretty awesome. Here we have all corn, all corn. Look at how much corn is in the world. I think it's best to start with what is called hominy, a white corn that goes through a process of drying itself out. And this is where we often get white grits from, yellow grits, stone ground grits. It is a very coarse ground, right? This is the type of grits that aren't gonna cook in 30 minutes to an hour. It is a slow cooking grits. This one is called quick cooking grits. The texture is a little bit more finer. And this is actually a partially cooked grit. So it's already got the process started for you, and then you'll add in your liquid and get it going. Is there really a huge difference between white grits and yellow grits? No, not really. But you know what? Them white grits take that butter and it looks real good when it's cooking up Sunday morning with a little bacon, eggs, and sausage. And we have polenta. Polenta is, again, same, dried corn. You have fine, which is just like powder. That affects the texture that you're also gonna get at the end of the day when you start cooking. There is a smooth, creamy, fine finish. You also have instant polenta, and that means that you're gonna cook it really, really quick. It won't take very long to do. This process has pretty much gotten started for you. So I'm talking about in a pinch, you wanna use instant polenta. Then on the opposite end, you have coarse ground. Very, very coarse. It's gonna take longer to cook, but it's also gonna feel like this rich, luscious polenta. Pre-cooked polenta comes in a log, and you just chop it up, and you can like pan fry this. It doesn't have as much moisture. You can grill it, you can pan fry, you can do all kinds of things with this. All of these can turn into this after you've used it, right? Put it in the refrigerator, let it sit. One thing though that you do wanna keep in mind is what's the final result? Do I want grits that's gonna be a little more creamy? Do I want my polenta to be really, really creamy? So this is grits that are stone ground. You can still see the coarseness of the grain. Very yummy, great if you're gonna have like a rich braised meat like oxtails or something like that. You also have polenta. The texture of the polenta is very smooth, a little bit more creamy. That's often used for like a cacciatore or anything like that, that you have, again, braised meat. Braised rabbit is delicious on that. Anything that has a little sauce, some richness. You can also add in butter, you can add in cheese, you can add in milk, cream. It's all about how you want to have the flavor at the end of the day. Now, which one is your favorite? There is no right, there is no wrong. It's all about what you like. At the end of the day, they're all corn.